The Kerala High Court made it clear that the trial court in the actress attack case will not be changed. The court rejected both the pleas of the government and the actress on it. The court also rejected their demand seeking a week stay on the order. The court said the trial should continue from Monday. The government has decided to file an appeal in the Supreme Court challenging the High Court decision. The order was passed by the single bench of the High Court. The High Court had earlier imposed a stay on the trial as part of hearing the argument. The single bench observed that changing the trial court would create a false precedent. The verdict came on the heels of the petitions filed by the prosecution and the actress seeking the transfer of the trial court in the actress assault case. The actress had told the court that the trial court had behaved in a partisan manner and faced mental harassment. The main complaint raised by the prosecution was that the guidelines of cross-examination in the actress assault case were violated in the trial court. The actress and the government had raised severe allegations against the trial court. The woman judge behaved in a biased manner in the courtroom. 19 advocates appeared at a time for actor Dileep, the eighth accused in the case. The court didn't intervene despite the several attempts made by the respondent throughout the proceedings. The actress alleged that she was aggrieved by the biased and hostile attitude of the trial court hearing her case, and she also alleged that the court has mentally harassed her several times. She had to burst into tears in the courtroom. Many of the questions were insulting. The proceedings were mostly undermining the essence of the secret trial. The trial court had a prejudiced attitude towards the prosecution. The government had informed the High Court that despite being a woman judge, she failed to understand the mental status of the victim. And the actress and the prosecution moved the High Court seeking to transfer the trial in the case from the current court to another. The victim informed the High Court that the trial court granted permission to questions posing great insult to her. The alleged sexual assault on the actress by a gang of men in a moving car occurred in February 2017 in Kochi. Popular Malayalam actor Dileep is the eighth accused in the case. News Desk, Kaumudy English.